Today's video, we will review highlighting in real time using the Mortgage Coach Live feature. Set yourself apart with using the highlighting feature to draw attention to certain areas for your consumers. With this feature, you have the ability to also highlight graphs and charts to drive your point when it comes across to savings and different other elements inside of the total cost analysis. With MC Live, as you move through your particular presentation as a loan officer, you have the ability to move and drive your consumers' output as well on their viewing device, whether it is a mobile or a computer. You have the ability to educate and provide a live walkthrough. Let's review how you would actually highlight and start educating your customers using the Mortgage Coach software solution. From the dashboard, select any one of your clients and drill into that record. You'll notice to the right there is a preview and highlight area to start using the Mortgage Coach Live feature. Select this option to proceed. Choose your presentation and select OK. Now that your borrower has been selected, let's see it in practice. To the right is our borrower. Once you send the total cost analysis to your consumers and they click on the link, every disclosure must be read and accepted. Once your borrower agrees and accepts the terms, you now have the ability to start educating. To the left is the loan officer's view, which he or she now has the ability to start highlighting in real time. Every field that is selected and highlighted, the consumer will also see that highlighted presentation as you are moving through and educating. You can definitely see it here in practice. So everywhere I'm clicking, the consumer's view is being highlighted as well. As I move through, those changes are made to the consumer's view. Each area has a more info button that gives you the opportunity to start educating, whether it's a breakdown for payment, closing costs, or the fee details. Everywhere you move, the system will automatically move for the consumer as well. That's how you are able to educate and highlight different areas to make yourself different from the competitors, more transparent when it comes to the transaction, and a better overall education and feel for your customers. This concludes today's video on how to highlight and educate your borrowers using the Mortgage Coach Live feature.